Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Myself Vignesh Anand. In this video, we are going to see about the isolator and the types of isolator. Please refer my before video for knowing about the basics of your isolator. So in this video, we are going to directly see about the types of isolator. Normally, the types of isolator in the sense three types of isolator: double break, single break, and Pantography type of isolator, which is separated according to your placements. Then according to your position, it is separated into bus side isolator, line side isolator, and transfer bus side isolators. So first, the double break isolator. uh, Before that, depending upon the line voltage where we are using, the low level voltages as up to 11 kV is designed to set different set of isolators. Then for a medium voltage of 11 to 66 kV, for that we have a very different type of isolator. Then for a high level voltage more than 66 kV, for that we have a different set of isolators. Next is your double break isolator. It consists of three post insulators which is need to support your isolator. Then the second central post, which means middle post, carries a tubular fat, which means a horizontal male contacts and surrounded by a two female contacts. Normally the male contact is your moving contacts and the female contact is your fixed contacts. So these female contacts are placed between your uh, buses, which means connecting portion of your buses. It is in a fixed term, and the male contacts which separates your bus by isolating the or opening the contacts. Normally, the rotational movement of the male contact cause to come itself into the female contact, and closing path will be provided. And also for same opening, the male contacts get separated. So the rotation of the central portion is done by driving a lever mechanism at the base of the post insulator, and it is connected to operate hand operated also, or through a motor or a electrical operation. So this is your types of isolator uh, based on the application: single, double, and photography. Then based on the placement, bus side, line side, and transformer or transfer bus side. So this is your double brake system, double brake isolators type example. So in here, as I said, the fixed contact, female contact, two numbers, which connects your bus, and the male contacts, which is your moving contacts, which makes contact with the female contacts, and connections will be happened. Closing and opening are done by the rotation of your male contacts. So these rotating shafts and the insulators are present in the downside, which means the insulator, which is your carrying portion of your this double brake system, which carries the male and female contacts, and also the rotating shafts and the driving mechanisms are inside your post insulators. Next, coming up to the single brake isolator. In this isolator, arm contacts is separated into two elements. The first one is your male contacts, which is your moving contact, and second one is your female contacts, which is your fixed contacts. So, as a name in the name itself, you can easily understand that a double brake system which breaks into a two variant, and also the single brake system breaks into a single variant. So the arcing is splitted by a single itself. So in here, the post rotation, insulator rotation stacks is in a reverse to each other, which makes to shut the isolator by shutting the arms. So the post isolator counter rotations to open the arms for opening. Example of your single brake system. So in this single brake system consists of various parts, same as like a double brake system, except here the moment of and female and the male contacts are done. So uh, the rotating contacts head, then the rotating supporting insulators, then the earth switch which is parallelly connected, then the rotatory base unit which means the rotating shafts, then the connecting device or your shaft connectors, then your rotating mechanism or operating mechanisms. So this is an example of your single brake system. Then coming to the pantographic uh, disconnectors or isolator. So like a single brake, it is a vertical reach type of a disconnector which is mounted on the post insulators operated through a rotating or operating rod insulator. It has a size is a very compact level, and also it consists of a scissors like arrangement which is helpful for opening and closing of your isolator. So the pointography type is like a cutter, a cutting player, or like a scissor type connections or a scissor type arrangement, so that it the isolator itself separates from your connecting buses or your live portion, and also it is used in your higher level voltage levels. This is the example of your pantography type of isolator. It consists of a upper end type upper end connectors and also the connecting arms, then the scissor arrangement in the between portions and the lower terminals, and for supporting we have a supporting rotary insulators and the operating mechanisms. uh, the foundation is in the sense the normal foundation which we are arranged for installation of your isolators. So these are all the parts of your pantography type of a isolator. The top itself you can see the arrangement opening and the full closing. So normally it catches or it connects the buses by catching the uh, bus, and also while opening it will opens like a scissor. That's why and also it is connected by a vertical portion only, not in a horizontal way. Next we will see about the specifications used in your uh, isolator. So normally these are all the standards which we are following for these isolators. Just you can go through it. In here we have given as per the kV, which means the rated voltage level for 33 kV, 132 kV, 220 kV and 400 kV. Main thing we are going to see is the peak current and also the normal height, then the normal current carrying capacity of the isolators, and also the closing operating time. Normally closing and opening same time only it will operates. Hope you understand, I think so. Just go through it. These are all the common things which are in the types of your isolators. See you in next video. Have a nice day. Keep sharing your knowledge and gain your knowledge. Thanks you everyone. நன்றி. வணக்கம்.